Fuck, you got bolt selection? I got 5-gallon buckets full of shit, but I don't have bolt selection. See, I had to show Shane how to use a drill bit without sticking it in yourself because he didn't fucking know.
That's not much way too long.
Yep. You never heard that before, have you?
If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are.
How are we doing now? Oh, it's at 10:30 p.m. I'm still at the Holst residence. Shane's still mixing feed like a motherfucker. Well, because I distracted him for an hour with live stream, so hey, here you go. There he is. Oh, you got beer too, man. Got another batch of feed to feed. God damn it. I'm a fat bastard. There we got her.
Feed mixer. Corn stalks and dry hay and soybean meal, well, the Beetle Plus and the TMR supplement, it's all in there. Gotta let her mix real good, otherwise it'll separate it out.
Fucking mint.
Get it real fine and just eat it right up. Let me give you guys a view when it's empty, what it looks like when it's empty, so you kind of got to see what's buttoned up and what's mixed with the girl.
Goddamn, it's pretty much what my stomach looks like when I drink Busch Light.
Well, better have one then.
Look at that, one-hander. Fucking cheers, Lloyd. Give her. Now you know I'm drunk. Now you know I'm drunk.
Oh, it's so good.
Just giving her. Holy shit, my pants are falling down. Busch Light make me fucking run my ass around out here like Shane. I'm gonna lose weight. Oh well. I will say this, I don't think I'm gonna challenge Shane to backing up a competition anytime soon. That's it. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. He drank beer off a fucking garage door just like me, and he can still back up like a fucking champion. Alright, Shane's gonna show you how shit works. Oh fuck, look at this. No, I got, my fat bastard ass gotta climb up here.
Oh,
What?
again.
Again.
You work, girl.
I climbed the fucking ladder twice today. Look at that motherfucker.
Yeah.
some of your knives, I do the cutting. Usually that one there is, they call that shark tooth or whatever. That helps keep kicking your bale around if you have a round bale. And then you see it in the corner there. Them are your stops. That holds your feed from just keep on spinning around in circles like a washing machine. So there's two of them on each end. So you set them as it has how you want your feed cut. So So I always keep them full strength anyways. And then that corner there, that is option for a magnet. So if you want to put a magnet in there, catch any foreign metals in your feed. But I don't have that, so it's just an option.
Interesting.
Yep.
There's your hydraulic door down there that opens.
Yeah, it's right there.
Hydraulic cylinder here.
Yep.
Conveyor down there. If you didn't see the video where Shane replaced the chain on the
Fix the chain, replace the chain.
multiple videos. Fix the chain, replace the chain. Get the fuck out of here. Just get the fuck out of here. You ain't...
Multiple videos of TMR.
Yeah.
You want to see a TMR? Come over.
I'm just gonna say, John Stevens, next time you're in the area, you need to stop at Shane's place and drink beer off the garage door. I challenge you.
That would be a hoot.
You're tall enough that you can reach the fucking can anyway. It doesn't matter, buddy. Ginger. Hi, Ginger. Look at it, it's Ginger. It's Ginger. Look at it, it's Ginger. There's Ginger.
You got kicked outside because you're in a diet program, ain't you? Oh.
What? No, not me. Fuck
you.
that.
I don't know you.
Here. Come here.
Oh, maybe.
Come here.
You smell funny.
Come here.
Jump on her back.
Yeah. Well, you can, but I can't. Fuck that. I know how that works. I'm not athletic either. Fuck that shit. No? Look at that. He's like a pro. Every day. Several times a day. Look at that. Just adjusting the gate a little bit. Ginger. She's not being very friendly. Very nice efforts, I have to say, very nice. Shut the gate. I assumed you wanted the gate shut, right?
That's the one that me and Casey were arguing about earlier. Sign. Couldn't remember her name.
Hi, girl.
She's
Oh, yeah.
She was.
How about this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Desiree, I like the steer.
Desiree, a steer. Aw, look it. Fuck. What? What do you think? What do you think, bud? Good Sunday afternoon, right? Yeah, something like that. Oh, well, wind got a hold of some trash, so I gotta clean that shit up. Now you see we got a big jump in the lawn. We had pretty nice rain, and we got some warm weather coming, so I think this evening's project is going to be dig the damn lawnmower out of the pole barn and get that damn thing ready to go. I'm sure tomorrow or Tuesday I'll have to mow the grass. I got cows up here on this pasture for a day. Gave them a little brewer's grain up there on the hill.
I've been free feeding it, but I don't seem like they're too interested in cleaning it up that way. So we'll have to get the feed bunk and move that around. We'll just limit what they're getting and go from there. All the pigs made her home in one piece. We can walk up there on the hill and check out the pigs. We partied hard at Shane's last night. I want to tell you what. Jesus, good Lord. Bring a guy 20 cases of beer, it suddenly becomes a challenge. Oh man, we had a good time though. There was no driving home after. By the time we got to strapping beer cans to the garage door and opening it, that kind of went off the rails pretty fast. Oh, let's hop up here. We haven't had a chance to unload them. We just got home. I gotta get back to her. Nico! Okay. Look at these boys. I didn't know I was getting ones that big. But that's alright. And we got Litlands too. So we got everything in between. But good looking pigs, huh? What do you think? What do you think? Are you still full? You're not eating all your mash over there, huh? Alright, well, good enough. These guys are plugging away. Got a couple little, look at that little guy over there in the corner. Yeah, look at you. So I'm letting these guys calm down for a little bit. And Katie's taking a shower and doing all that jazz, so that way she can come up and play in the pig shit and put these guys in with me. But well, I think I'd rather load cattle than pigs. Load, unload, all that stuff. God, they're a pain in the ass. They have a lot of low end torque. But we are unloaded, and well, they're in the makeshift cow pen or pig pen for now. Of course, they're rutting along the wall and whatever. Yeah, it'll work. Fuck it. If this works out and we decide this is something we're going to do on a regular basis, then we'll obviously have to get a different pig barn. But I already got ideas on building one of those. I have all the materials, most of the materials, so it's not a huge deal. Anyway, I did run some electric on the inside there. You can see we got some electric going on with the solar fencer up there. They already get to rutting on everything and pushing pretty hard. We do have two that have ruptures. That one can go at can get butchered at any moment. But the price is right, and they still eat the same. That one, and that one do. The rest of them are alright. So, look at that one back there. Some nice looking pigs. And we got some little ones. The little ones, look at the little ones. Right there. Oh. So, we'll have progressive stages here. We got what, 5 and 8 pounders all the way up to 200 plus. So I think that'll work out. Instead of getting a run of all of them being the same size, we're half and half now. So it kind of takes a little bit of the pressure off at butcher time. Seriousness though, we had a good time in Shane and Casey holes. Wow, it was a good time. Drank a lot of beer, but whatever. So if you guys like what we're doing, like what we got going on, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Go over and subscribe to Shane's channel if you haven't. Memberships are available if you're interested. We we probably got some members only videos coming here. All right. I got things to do, guys. I'll catch up with you in another video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys again next time.